The the RMS Titanic was built in 1911 and finished its construction in 1912, and it hit an iceberg in April 1912. Her maiden voyage was 10 April 1912, and she sank at the bottom of the North Atlantic Ocean. And she basically had 4 funnels, but the fourth funnel didn't work. It only used for the kitchen, and it have E deck, B deck, C deck, A deck, and D deck. And the boiler room have five compartments, and the watertight doors is so useful. And they close the watertight doors first when it sank, and it cut in half when the fourth funnel just collapsed. And I made the second funnel collapsed, and then it cut in half, and fourth funnel and third funnel also collapsed. And then the rescue of Titanic was RMS Carpathia. It was a cunard line ship when Carpathia also sank at the bottom of the Celtic Sea. It was hit by a 3 torpedoes. The Carpathia and Titanic have 800 survivors only, and the final plane has begun. Everyone was falling to the water and died from frozen icy water. And when the people is still on the back of the Titanic, they got pulled by the stern. And then in 4 p.m. the Carpathia had arrived, and the first Titanic was SS Titan. It also sank on the North Atlantic Ocean. It cut in half, and it sank because of an iceberg. And it also have 5 compartments. It sank on 1898. That was the first Titanic. The writer of the book of SS Titan was Morgan Robertson, and the White Star Line only the White Star. There is only one White Star Line ship still standing, named SS Nomadic. The HMS Hawk does got collision with the RMS Olympic, which is the sister of the Olympic. Olympic have got in collision 2 times, one in 1924 and one in 1911. In 1911, she got collision with the HMS Hawk, a military battleship, and the boat went very badly until it got sank by a German U-boat. The German U-boat is a submarine which can sink other ships. And Olympic in 1918, which is used at the troop ship. The RMS Olympic was used as a troop ship in 1915, which she have her gun at the bow. And then in 1918, she used a diesel camo livery. And then she rams the submarine U-53 because U-53 sank 7 ships. Then the sister ship of SS Nomadic, the last standing ship of White Star Line, is SS Traffic. They are made of France, and White Star Line ships are made on Harland and Wolff. And bye.